morning, YouTube. Hope you all are doing well. It is a great day out. It's about 56 degrees today, so we're going to go for a cruise. Today's episode, we're going to talk about all the mods that I put in my car and how much they approximately cost. The only thing I didn't include there is some of the labor that was to install it. That's usually $50 to $100 each time. Sometimes more, it just depends on the work. But the general cost of the items, and then, you know, every shop you go to is a different price for their general labor. While you're going through the slideshow, I reconnected with an old friend back from Keokuk, Iowa, and he started his own band. It's called Stumptown, S-T-U-M-P-T-O-W-N. They're from Keokuk, Iowa. They've been together for a few years and making some great music. So kick back, relax, watch the slideshow, and enjoy the music. And have a great day. some windows for when I want to go into higher horsepower. I'm not sure what the Kenny Bell pumps for the fuel system, how much they will do, or if you have to expand upon that to get higher horsepower. Maybe they're just the same and it's just a different brand or name brand new, generic or something like that. I'm not saying that either one's generic. It's just the other one costs a lot more, as you saw. So total price is about $12,000, then whatever your car cost. If you ever have any questions on your build or what you would like to do, feel free to send me a comment, question, anything, you name it, or I can get you in contact with people that might know specifically about your car and your build. Really hope you enjoy these videos. Like always, like, subscribe, and comment.